Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Stand on a stable step stool and wear gloves to protect your hands. Hold the rod firmly with one hand so it won't drop. This prevents bending and scuffs. Use the correct screwdriver to loosen visible screws on the end bracket or twist off decorative finials. Doing those first frees the tension. Once those are off, slide the curtain off the rod if it hasn't been removed already, and keep fabric gathered so it won't snag. Make sure your helper holds the other side if rod is long. You continue by supporting the rod as you work toward each bracket. This reduces torque on wall anchors. Remove screws one at a time. If a screw feels stuck, apply penetrating oil and wait a minute to avoid stripping. For painted brackets, score around edges with a utility knife before prying to prevent dry wallpaper from tearing. As each bracket comes free, lift straight outward, then lower gently. Once free, check anchor type, toggle, plastic, or moly, and place each component in a label. You finish by inspecting the wall and rod. Remove any remaining anchors with pliers or a screwdriver, then fill holes with spackle, sand, and paint when dry. If anchors are stubborn, cut them flush and pry gently to avoid enlarging the hole. For a strip screw, try a rubber band for grip, use locking pliers, or drill it out carefully. Make sure to wear eye protection. If the rod bent, replace it. Don't reuse a weakened rod. Finally, clean the area and launder curtains if dusty.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.